Wow, that was amazing. Just so beautiful and so tranquil. Just cool as can be. Wow, that was really cool. This has been a fantastic hike. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Randy and this is Old Guy Hikes, and today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025, and it's about 9:30 in the morning, about 55 degrees, and I am still in Arkansas. This is my final episode from my Arkansas trip from April of 2025. Now, I guess, whatever. Today I'm at Lake Catherine, just on the outskirts of Hot Springs National Park. It's supposed to be a beautiful lake, some really cute trails. This is going to be the Falls Branch Trail, I believe is the name of it. And should be about 3 miles. Not going to be anything strenuous. I've had a lot of miles under my feet this week. Legs are really sore and tired, so I'm going to kind of take it easy today. But this should be really pretty. Some waterfalls, and just should be a really nice hike. So I'm glad to have you along with me, and I hope you enjoy. Let's go check it out. Wow, that was amazing. That's just the first 200 or 300 yards of this trail. Just crossed over like 8 or 9 bridges and went back and forth across that stream a bunch of times. So beautiful and so tranquil, just cool as can be. Really worth the, wouldn't even take any effort. That was like right at the beginning of the trail. Now we are climbing. We're above the streams. They're down here below us. And we're climbing up the hill a little bit. And then eventually we're supposed to end up by the lake, I think, and some waterfalls, a little more significant waterfalls than that stream had. But that was gorgeous. Wow, that was really cool. Very nice waterfall, but only the second best waterfall of the week. You should definitely go back and watch my hike from 2 weeks ago called Petit Jean. I think it's the Petit Jean Cedar Falls Trail. Go back and check that out if you want to see the best waterfall of the week. That was only the second best waterfall of the week. All right, we're just about done with this. Finish this trail up, show you how it ends, and that'll be it. So right after that waterfall, you are in a little inlet to the lake, Lake Catherine. So we're just going to walk along the lake here, and I think we'll be back to the beginning pretty shortly. Alright, that's pretty much it. I'm back here by the lake, almost to the parking lot. This has been a fantastic hike. Just very short, probably only a couple miles. Took me a lot longer than normal, but for normal for me, I guess. Took longer because I took a lot of pictures, and I had to wait for those people at the waterfall to clear out so I could take some pictures. But just worth every minute. So beautiful out here. Not a very hard hike. I'm going to rate it just at a 2 out of 5 on my Old Guy Hikes difficulty rating. Very easy trail. A little bit of stumble here and there, but nothing really much at all. A little bit of climbing, but just gorgeous, and definitely worth your time to come out to Lake Catherine. There's about 3 or 4 different trails here. You can get a little more adventurous if you want, go a little further on a couple of the other trails, and I don't know if they've got anything better, but that stream at the beginning and that waterfall at the end, so great. So thanks for watching today. This has been a blast. I am done with Arkansas. I don't know what's next, but come back next week. There will be something, and it'll hopefully be fun. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.